Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to insert a PDF file into a Word document. Let's start by opening our Word file. You can import a PDF file into a Word document in several ways. Today we're going to show some of them. As you can see, this is the Word file on which we want to have a PDF file. The first way to add a PDF file is to embed it as an object. So click on the Insert button given on your top left. Then click on Object from the top right. Select the option of Create from File. Then click on Browse and select the PDF file that you want to attach here. Once you have selected the file, click on the Insert button. Then click on OK to proceed further. As you can see, our PDF file has been inserted. Only its first page appears in the document, and the rest of the file has become a part of our Word file. Keep this in mind: if you make any changes in the PDF file, it will not reflect in this Word file as the PDF file is not connected to the source file anymore. The second method is to have it as a linked object, which means that the full PDF file will be inserted into our Word document. Now to do it, again click on Object option. Then go to Create from File. Click on Browse and locate the file that you want to attach. Then click on Insert. After that, select the option Link to File and Display as icon from your right panel. Click on OK, and then you will be able to see your linked PDF file on this Word document. This PDF file is now linked to its source file but will only be displayed as an icon. If you make any changes in the original PDF file, it will be reflected in this file. You can reposition and resize this PDF icon on your Word file. Double-click the icon to open it. As you can see, all of the pages of our PDF file has been linked here. Now, let's move towards the third way by which you can open your PDF directly in MS Word, which converts it to the editable text that you can copy and paste into a document. So click on File from the top right corner. Here, click on Open. Now locate the file that you want to add here. As you can see, your PDF file has been converted to an editable Word document. You can now copy its text and paste it directly. There are a few ways by which you can attach a PDF file to a Word document. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.